it makes enzymes that break down the starches. Okay. And we also have that breaks down, you said fats, right? Okay. Carbohydrates. Okay. What's the third macronutrient? Proteins. Okay. Does the pancreatic juice break this all down in the pancreas?
No.
No. Where does it happen?
In the stomach and small intestine.
The small intestine.
Just the small intestine.
What is the pancreas creates?
Yes. Okay. So it creates all those enzymes that it's digested in the small intestine.
Living, intentional mutilations, horseplay will result in your removal from the dissection.
Okay, I just want to be really, really clear about this so there's no misunderstanding. It is clear that you are playing around in a way that is not safe or respectful. You will leave the room. No but, you're leaving the room and going to Mr. Beck right away. Okay, we want to make sure that we can always have this opportunity for the 8th grade, especially within the first 2 weeks. Later you'll be doing another dissection this year, so we want to make sure we're being respectful and safe. Yeah?
What are we dissecting next time?
A cow. Not, yeah, cow. Okay, the second bullet point. Ava. Okay, we want to make sure that we are clean here. Okay, so in a second we'll look at the trays. Next one, Simon.
Wear goggles, left foot in gloves, don't touch anything else when wearing gloves, and don't touch the table.
Okay, so it's really easy to maybe want to write down a note or something, but if you're still wearing gloves and you just have touched the small intestine, what happens to the pen if you try to
Small intestine on your
It contaminates it, right? And then last bullet point, Amelia.
Wash hands thoroughly after. You will also be dealing and thoroughly wash.
Okay, so there is hand wash over by that sink, and then you can also go to the bathroom. How long do you think you actually wash your hands for it to be a thorough job? Jake?
30 seconds.
I'd say roughly 30 seconds. So the two things that I've heard, right, is you can say your ABCs, right? So however long you say it takes to say your ABCs, or saying happy birthday to yourself.
Twice, right?
Or a friend. Okay. If you want to, oh, and also from you are not touching. Okay, you don't want to observe. Yeah. All right, so I need everyone to actually put your goggles on because I see a lot of goggles on foreheads. That's not very helpful.
Okay, come on.
The organs are so small.
Can you touch them?
So this is probably the small intestine.
Where's the anus?
Why am I looking at the anus right
There's some pictures to help you out.
No, Daniel, it's right here.
It's right there.
So it means it was unborn.
It's pickled. Oh, it's unborn.
What was once living.
Okay. And we're gonna, this actually is a bigger one, so we're gonna try as best as we can. We'll clean the table very thoroughly. But we're gonna try and keep this on the tray as best as we can. So I first want you just to take a look at the major organs, and as a group, see if you can try and identify them. You can use the pictures to help you out. That is like the liver.
Oh, I'm pretty sure this is the liver.
Touch its brain.
No, the liver is like this.
Okay, stop. Just stop.
Daniel, you're not allowed to.
Claire. Stick it in its mouth.
No, that's just weird.
Does it have teeth? No.
I don't think it's. Look at its toes. Look at its toes. Oh my god, I just. What is that? What is that?
Okay.
Wait, where's the gallbladder?
I think this is the pancreas or something.
Like it looks like pancreas. Wait, I want to see what it looks like on the other side. Yummy. Eggs, bacon.
Whoa, it's super.
What is this?
That's the spine. I think this is the gallbladder. This is small intestine. This is the large intestine.
No, but I feel like this is the liver. I don't know.
This?
No, that's probably the stomach. That's probably the stomach.
Yeah.
So that on that one, we'll switch in a sec because that one you can see the stomach very clearly. Okay, but you can pull things out. You can kind of stretch it. You can, within reason, right? But you can touch and feel. Okay.
Do not break the pig.
Pig pork chop, you know?
Pull it out. Pull it out.
Don't like pull it out.
We use like eyes on it.
No.
Are these arteries? Are these its arteries? Veins? Oh my god. Ooh, look at this. It looks like a mushroom. It looks like a mushroom.
In a second, I'm gonna have you switch with the other group because the other group didn't have a very visible stomach.
This?
Yeah, that's the stomach.
Yeah, it's very bad.
They have a very odd thing. It's pretty. It's
What
a lot
happened to the
smaller.
liver?
That's the liver. Okay, it's a little bit light.
Dead? Small intestine tissue?
Okay, but definitely take a look at the stomach because that often surprises people with how small it is.
Where does it produce the
Dude, they took out the. I don't want the heart.
Liver, sorry.
Is this the aorta?
liver does it produce?
Guys, look, it's a heart.
I don't know if there's a specific area. We can look that
Is it the heart? What? Oh my god, let me see.
I'm gonna give you about 2 more minutes, and then we are done. Okay, 2 more minutes. Savior's ready. Lulu's ready. Morgan looks ready. Nella looks ready.
Why did it say it wasn't her Bible? We just accepted a pig.
You want some?
Rose looks ready. By taking a seat, you're showing you are ready. When you're done, just putting it back into the bag. And then I'm just going to put that back in here to seal it.
Yep, I'll take care of
Okay. Everyone take a seat. And 3, and 2, and 1. Take a seat. Morgan, do you mind moving over? So Amelia